Hey everyone, are you tired of watching your rent checks vanish into thin air? What if I told you there's a way to live affordably, build wealth, and generate income, all at the same time? Welcome back to Wise to Rent. Today, we're diving into the ultimate real estate strategy for financial freedom, house hacking. If you're a millennial or Gen Z dreaming of owning a home, cutting housing costs, or creating passive income, this video is for you. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insider tips, and stick around to the end for a powerful way to take your first step into house hacking. First, let's answer the big question. What is house hacking? It's simple. You buy a home and rent out part of it, whether that's a spare room, a basement apartment, or even additional units in a multifamily property. The rental income helps cover your mortgage, sometimes eliminating your housing costs completely. Think of it this way, your home stops being a liability and becomes an asset, a tool for building wealth. And we love tools that work for us, right? Here's a fact. Nearly half of renters in the US spend over 30% of their income on housing. But house hacking flips the script by making your home pay you. Isn't that something worth considering? Let's break down the 3 biggest benefits of house hacking. 1. Live affordably. Imagine cutting your housing costs by 50%, 70%, or even living for free. 2. Build equity. Every month your tenants are helping pay down your mortgage, growing your wealth. 3. Generate income. This isn't just about saving money, it's about making money to reinvest in your future. Here's an example. You buy a duplex for $400,000 with a 3.5% FHA loan. That's a $14,000 down payment. You rent one unit for $1,800 while living in the other. If your total mortgage is $2,500, your housing cost drops to just $700. Can you imagine saving over $1,000 a month while owning your own home? Now you might be wondering, how can I afford this? That's where financing options come in. Here are the best ones for house hackers like us. FHA loans. Just 3.5% down for single-family homes or even fourplexes. VA loans. If you're a veteran, you could pay 0% down. Conventional loans, as low as 5% down, depending on your credit. The best part? These loans are designed for primary residences, which means you benefit from lower down payments and interest rates. Planning your budget. Before we jump in, let's talk about budgeting. House hacking is amazing, but preparation is key. Always consider vacancies. Always budget for at least 3 months without tenants, just in case. Maintenance. Homes need care. On average, expect to spend 1% to 4% of the property's value each year. Emergency fund. This is your safety net. Save 3 to 6 months of expenses for those unexpected repairs. And trust me, the unexpected will happen, but with the right plan, we can handle it like pros. Choosing the right property. The type of property you choose matters. Do you prefer privacy or maximum cash flow? Here's the rundown. Single-family homes. Lower cost but shared spaces. Great for first-timers. Multi-family units. Higher income potential and privacy since tenants live in separate units. Look for properties near universities, business hubs, or public transportation. Fun fact, the US rental vacancy rate was just 6.4% in 2023, so demand is strong in most areas. After the first year. Scaling up. Here's a hidden gem of house hacking. After living in your property for 12 months, you can buy another home with a low down payment and turn your first property into a full rental. Imagine this. Year 1, you buy a duplex and live in one unit. Year 2, you move into a new single-family home with 5% down, renting out both duplex units. You've just doubled your rental income in 2 years. This strategy called serial house hacking, and it builds wealth fast. Tenant screening tips. Now let's talk tenants. Your success as a house hacker depends on reliable renters. Follow these steps. 1. Set rules. Be clear about expectations. Cleanliness, noise, and shared spaces. 2. Screen thoroughly. Check credit scores, rental history, and background records. 3. Meet in person. A face-to-face meeting reveals more than an application ever will. Pro tip: never rush this process. A good tenant is worth their weight in gold, and we want harmony in our homes, right? Reinvesting for growth. Once your house hack is running smoothly, reinvest those profits. Upgrade the property with amenities tenants love, like modern kitchens or in-unit laundry, or save for your next investment. Did you know that renovations can boost rental income by 10% to 30%? That's money we can put straight back into building wealth. So is house hacking the right move for you? If you're ready to cut housing costs, build equity, and generate income, then yes. This strategy can be a game changer, but remember, it's not just about numbers. It's about creating a lifestyle that sets you up for financial freedom. Subscribe to Wise to Rent for more real estate strategies. Have questions about house hacking? Drop them in the comments, we're here to help. Or if you've already tried house hacking, share your experience below. Let's learn from each other and grow together.